This is a story about a cat who lived in the land of lanterns. It's a magical place where paper lanterns float above the ground, lighting up the sky with their warm glow. And in this whimsical world, there lived a very special cat. His name was Lumi, and he had fur as white as snow and eyes that shone like golden stars. Lumi wasn't just any cat. He was a lantern cat, a magical being who could control the lanterns with his mind. With a flick of his whiskers, he could make them dance and twirl, or with a gentle meow, he could send them soaring high above the clouds. Now, every year in the land of lanterns, there's a grand festival called the Lantern Parade. It's a celebration of light and magic, and all the cats of the Lantern Land get together to put on a spectacular show. The parade is the highlight of the year for all the cats, and they spend months preparing for it. But one year, something strange happened. As the parade approached, a dark cloud seemed to follow Lumi around. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't get the lanterns to do what he wanted them to do. They refused to dance, refused to twirl, and instead floated away from him, up into the dark, stormy clouds. Lumi was heartbroken. He didn't understand why the lanterns were acting this way, and he was afraid that he might lose his powers forever. Just when he was about to give up, an old wise owl flew down from a tree and perched on his shoulder. "Why are you so sad, little cat?" she asked in a soft, raspy voice. Lumi told the owl about his strange cloud and how it was ruining the lantern parade. The owl listened patiently, and then she said, "You are looking at the problem all wrong. Instead of trying to fight the cloud, why not become one with it? Embrace the darkness and let it guide you." Lumi wasn't sure if this was a good idea, but he was desperate to fix the lanterns. So he closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and let the darkness envelop him. At first it felt scary, but then something amazing happened. He felt a sense of calm and clarity that he had never felt before. When he opened his eyes, he saw that the lanterns were no longer floating away from him. They were coming towards him, drawn to the darkness like moths to a flame. With a gentle touch, Lumi guided the lanterns through the cloud, and they emerged on the other side, brighter and more beautiful than ever before. The other cats gasped in amazement as they watched the parade begin. The once ordinary lanterns now shimmered with an otherworldly glow, and they followed Lumi in a long, winding procession. As the parade went on, Lumi realized that the old owl was right. Sometimes you have to embrace the darkness in order to find the light. And that's exactly what he did. With a flick of his tail, he sent the lanterns soaring into the night sky, their light piercing the darkness and filling the land with hope. The cats cheered and danced, and even the clouds seemed to part ways, allowing the moon and stars to shine down on the celebration. From that day on, Lumi was known throughout the land as the hero of the Lantern Parade. And every year, when the clouds gathered and the lanterns dimmed, he would remind them that even in the darkest of times, a little bit of courage can go a long way. And so, my little friends, whenever you're feeling scared or alone, remember the story of the cat who lived in the land of lanterns, and remember that even in the darkest of times, a little bit of courage can go a long way. Now it's time for you to embark on your own adventure. Go on an imaginary journey to the land of lanterns and let your imagination soar. What kind of magical creature would you be in the land of lanterns? Would you be a talking animal, a shapeshifter, or maybe even a fairy godmother? The choice is yours. Just close your eyes, believe in the magic, and let your imagination take you away.